Aloha YouTube, what is up? Who is ready for week 18 of Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays, man? These mystery boxes come with random shoes in various sizes and conditions, and the whole reason why we buy these boxes is because we're trying to create profit from these boxes. This box right here is actually $2,500 and it is from Direct Kicks. We opened one box from Direct Kicks before. I think it was like a $2,000 box, and that one was an insane value, so I decided to try it again. This one is $2,500 though, so even more expensive than last time. Bigger is better, right? I hope. We'll see. Anyway, before we get into the video, there is no sponsors today, but I have two quick things for you guys. Number one, if you guys are not channel members yet, I highly recommend you guys sign up. We will be having that channel members drop in October very soon. I think there's like Yeezys for $50 on there right now. Coke kits for like $100. I don't know. There's so many deals and steals on there, man, and I can't keep track. But those are for channel members only. It says sold out on the web store, but it is not sold out just yet, guys. I have to keep it shown as sold out because that's the only way you guys can preview it. But you guys will know, or at least if you guys are channel members, you guys will know when the drop happens because I posted in the community tab. So be sure to sign up now, today, I guess, because the drop will be happening sometime very soon. Second thing that I did want to mention though is that I am doing a giveaway, and it's not going to be a normal giveaway where you see like your favorite YouTubers and stuff giving away a hyped shoe, because the thing is, we have different opinions on what a hype shoe is. For me, a Jordan 1 is a hype shoe, but that might not be the case for you guys. So I don't have a shoe actually to give out to you. However, what I'm trying to do for the rest of the year, hopefully at least once a month, is that I'm trying to do a giveaway for your dream shoe. And so for this month in October, you guys will have up to $500 in credit where you guys can cop any shoe that you want. I'll cop it through GoDap or something, and then I'll send it directly to your door so you guys know it's legit, authentic. But that is gonna be the giveaway, man. The Untied Hawaii Dream Shoe giveaway, man. And like I said, if this works out well for this month, we'll do it in following months as well, because I hope everybody gets their dream shoes. And it's super easy to enter, guys. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below what your dream shoe would be. Remember, it's a $500 limit, so no like Yeezy Red Octobers or something crazy. Maybe we'll get there eventually. I'm not sure yet, but for the first one, just to test it out, we will be going up to $500. So let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. You guys can look at the description as well if you guys want to just do the shortcuts on there. All the rest of the details will be in the description below as well. Now, that is all of that. Let's get into the unboxing now, guys. Like I said, $2,500 Direct Kicks. Let's see what we got. And this is why I really enjoyed Direct Kicks the first time around. These boxes are not sponsored, by the way. If you guys think they're sponsored, they are not sponsored. This is how they pack and stuff though, which I think is really nice. Like, it was a huge box obviously, but they couldn't like completely fill it up, so in order to like make sure that the shoes don't get damaged and stuff, they put like a lot of like packing paper and stuff, which I think is just a really nice touch. So thank you for keeping your guys' stuff nice and clean. The first shoe without a box though is a pair of, is this powder blue Jordan 3s? Something like that. I think it's powder blue. It kind of has that vibe. But this one is at a 4.5, and like I said, there's no box for this one. You guys can check it out under the camera. This is basically like a filler shoe because there's also no insole in here, which is unfortunate. Bottom's dirtied, it is used. This is definitely going to be going for cheap on the counter. If you guys want to follow along with what we're getting, check out the counter over here. That's the competitive market pricing for what we can sell these shoes at. And also, I just checked it out on the camera. Before I forget, shout out to my boy Mikey at the CAC, Kauai Athletic Club, baby. This guy hooked me up with the shirt last time I was visiting my grandma guys on Kauai, so really stoked for that. Thank you, Mikey. Appreciate it, man. This thing looks freaking fire. And look for Mikey at the front desk, man. Appreciate you. Anyway, second shoe that we have without a box, and the last shoe without a box, is right here. Very stoked on this. These guys are so great, man. They even put this like in a Ziploc bag because they know it's a hype shoe. Now this, ooh, wait. No way. Oh shoot, this thing might be a dead stock pair. What? That's crazy. And it's in my size. Okay, so we have a pair of the Galaxy Foams. I think this is, I don't know if they call it the 2.0. I'm not really sure, but they're basically Galaxy Foams reimagined, I guess. You guys can see over here, this is a Foamposite in a size 10.5, and it has that Galaxy vibe running throughout the shoe. I really don't know what the exact name for it is called, which is funny, but you guys can see over here, the bottoms are completely new. I don't see any dirt on there, man. Just has no box, but I might end up keeping this because I actually have a pair of the OG Galaxies. One second. And this is actually the only pair of Foamposites I have in my collection. So this is what I mean. You guys can see right here, Galaxy 1.0. 2.0 or alternate galaxy. I don't know, man. What is the name for this thing? I don't know why I'm blanking on it, but yeah, might end up keeping this size 10.5. So you guys know that's my size. All right, I'm happy so far, dude. I'm happy. 3 shoe in the box. This one is a size 7Y Jordan 12. And for this one, I'm not sure what these are called, but this is a very pink sneaker, dude. I guess I'm just gonna call it the pink Jordan 12 because that's all I got for this. Pretty solid condition, very clean. Bottoms, I mean, are worn, but it looks like it was very slightly used. Not too much damage anywhere on here, it looks like. Another good pair right here. Jordans obviously fetch good money no matter what. And I have like a strange feeling that this is gonna catch some nice competitive market value. So you guys wanna see a live cop? I guess I'm filming this on September 21st and it's Yeezy Day, Cloud White Yeezy Day. And you guys see right there, earned your stripes. Congratulations, Bryson. Your participation for Yeezy Boost 350 V2 was successful. That's 2 wins in a row, man. They've done 2 draws for Yeezys. I've hit on both. Adidas, man, I'm saying it. They're getting better than sneakers app. Back to the box. Now, right here, this one is a Nike Air Max 1 DLX. I'm guessing that's deluxe in a size 12. For this shoe, ooh, okay. So this is like the Animal Pack Air Max. Interesting, dude. I haven't seen this in person before. This is a really crazy pair of sneakers though. So as you guys can see, this is called the Animal Pack because it has like a lot of different like animal prints on it. I guess this is like a cheetah, tiger, I don't know, leopard or whatever. All of the big cat stuff is on here. And it kind of just looks like a safari kind of look, you know? Bottoms are not bad at all. I don't see any problems anywhere up here on the upper. Everything looks fine, so that's another good pickup. I know these fetch some good value, dude. Okay, so that's cool. Something we've never seen before. Next one out looks like a Jordan 11 box, a damaged Jordan 11 box. This one is in a size 8.5, and we have a pair of the Jordan Concords. Oof, and this is the 2011 version, so this is the older version, guys. Check it out over here, though. It looks like it's in pretty solid condition still, considering it is 8 years old. Uppers look fine, that's why I don't see any damage or like discoloration here. Nothing too crazy. Bottoms, I mean, they're not perfect anymore, but they still look pretty solid, dude. For 8 years old, 9 years old, it is a solid piece right here. So that's another good sneaker. Jordan 11 is one of the most popular Jordan models there are, so good resale value there. So we have like 4 shoes left in here. This one is the only Yeezy box it looks like in here, and it is a size 11 Yeezy 500 box. And ooh, nice. Oh shoot, it's a dead stock pair. Okay, so we have a dead stock pair of the Yeezy Blushes in a size 11. Check this out over here. Yeezy Blush, you guys can see that tag is still attached, so it's dead stock. Bottom's completely fine, no damages anywhere. So I'm not sure if you guys watch my sneaker collection video, I'll link it up here or something, but this is my most worn sneaker, surprisingly, because I wear this one to work every day. A very comfortable model. I was cranking on it a lot before, but it's not that bad. And in terms of comfort, it's pretty darn good. I don't need a second pair though, so this one will be up on the web store, untiedhawaii.com. All of the shoes actually will be on there if you guys want to purchase. So next shoe out, this one is a Jordan 10 box in a size 15. Oof, I'm not even sure what these are called, dude. Some kind of black and white Jordan 10. I'm not even gonna guess. Check it out over here though. Size 15, so it is pretty darn huge. Quality and stuff looks pretty solid though. I think this is like a tried-on sneaker. You guys can see some toe box creasing right here, but the bottoms look pretty darn clean, so I don't see any issues there. No scratches on the leather. All right, so 2 shoes left. This one is a size 10 women's Air Force 1 high suede, so that's like a men's 8.5 or something like that. I don't know what these things are called. This is an interesting sneaker, dude. Check this thing out. Red suede, I guess, so it's just a weird suede upper with clean gum bottoms. I don't even know, dude. This is a really interesting one, but I'm guessing this is not super expensive. Probably more of a filler shoe. All right, and the last sneaker in this box, we have a Jordan 5 Wings. This one is in the size 9.5. This one, a couple months back, I would have been pretty mad at because, I mean, it wasn't very hyped, but now these things kind of blew up in price. And I am starting to think this one is dead stock, which it is. What? It does have the lace bags attached, and you guys can check it out over here. Jordan 5 Wings, super unique shoe, dude. I believe that this netting and this right here, this lace lock, glow in the dark, so that's kind of cool. And you guys can see those icy bottoms. So yes, definitely a new sneaker right here. And like I mentioned, I know they blew up in price. I'm just not sure exactly like offhand how much this pair is worth, but I know that this is one of the more money shoes of the box. So that is cool right there. I appreciate that a lot. And and that is actually it for the box. So we saw a lot of Jordans, we saw some dope Foamposites, which I'm very torn because I feel like I need to sell those to get the value of the box back, but I want to keep it at the same time. So not sure what I'm gonna do there, but great value there. Yeezy 500 blush, so a good mix of dead stock and used sneakers. Now, this is my second box with Direct Kicks, and I feel like we got another winner here. So if you guys are looking for sneaker mystery boxes, I would check out Direct Kicks. This is the second time I've seen a box from them now. Also, don't forget that you guys have that giveaway to enter, the Untied Hawaii Dream Shoe giveaway. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, follow me on Instagram, and comment what shoe you would cop down below, man. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see all of you guys back here once again on Friday for week 19 of Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. But until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots!